Hi everyone, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we're coming to you showing you how to create this fun fold. Actually, it's a gift card holder and it opens up like that and you can place your gift card in here. It does tuck down a little bit further so you can always put a note in there. Did a little decorating on the top in case you don't want to put a note on there or another note inside. You can just write Merry Christmas and your name's on the top part. So we're going to show you all the supplies. There also will be a list of all the supplies and directions, measurements, all that kind of fun stuff listed below. We're going to be using the layering circle dies. Now what I did with mine on all my circles and the scallop circles is I numbered them. And I started with the largest and went all the way down to the smallest. So the smallest one for the regular circle I'm using is number 6. And for the scalloped, I'm using number 5. Okay. We are only using the Peaceful Deer, and the Peaceful Deer is really kind of cool because it comes with a punch as well. So we're going to be using that. And I already got my stamps mounted. We're going to be using the Merry Christmas, Sending Love and Peace this season, and then of course our deer that we're going to use with our punch. So we are going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys. We're going to do the 2 colors here. We're going to go ahead and die cut those right away. We got those cut out. Now normally what I recommend is that you do your stamping before you do your die cutting, but since we're using photopolymer, I can see exactly where I place this so I know I can get it right in the middle. So we are going to do our stamping first. So I'm going to bring in our inks. Today we're using Early Espresso, Shaded Spruce, and Real Red. We're going to go ahead and stamp on our longer piece that goes on the inside. Then we're going to bring in our crumb cake piece and we are going to use Early Espresso. And last, we're going to use Shaded Spruce for our sentiment for the inside of the card, or the outside of the card, excuse me. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to punch this out. In order to do that with our punch, we need to turn it upside down. Let me show you a real trick here. Since I have my piece cut smaller, I'm going to add a piece of Post-it note. I could do it on the side here as well. Like so. And then I got an extra handle and it just makes it easier because I cut my paper a little smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use our Tombow glue, which is the green glue. And I'm also going to put glue on the back side of our sentiment. So now we have our card base and I'm just going to go ahead and give these a burnish with our bone folder. We do carry these in our store and they work just awesome on creating a good crisp fold. Okay, so there we have that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it just upside down like this. And I'm going to layer my designer series paper on the ends. We're going to flip this over. Now on the bigger end, we're going to go ahead and place our inside piece. And now for this piece, we're just going to use just a little bit of glue on the edges, right along here, up to that score line on both sides. Hold that for a moment. Okay, perfect. Now we are ready with our piece to make the belly band. Now what I like to do is kind of eyeball it so you got enough on each side, or equal amounts I should say, and then I just gently fold it over. Okay, like that. And give these ends a good press. And there we have our belly band. Now I test it out usually to make sure that I'm going to have enough room for it to slide off. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more glue to right here. Fold that down again. Now I'm going to adhere this circle on the front of our belly band only, and I'm just going to put a couple dimensional dots on here just to add a little bit of depth to the card. Last, we're going to come in with our basic rhinestones. These are, to me, I feel these are an essential that everybody needs to have, just to add a little character to your card. Okay, so I kind of went crazy on that, but here's our first card right here. Well, I'll just lay that there. I only used 3, and I put them on the actual belly band. There, I did it on both. So I really hope you enjoy this card. If you have any questions, make sure you let us know. And always, if you did enjoy this card, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. And make sure you hit that little bell so that you get notified when new videos are uploaded. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter. You can find the link below in the description of this video. Thanks so much. Bye.